how to change Facebook join date. So if you want to change your Facebook join date, so first open up your Facebook application, and then you can go for the upper right corner which has that 3-bar icon, and now you can scroll down and go for settings and privacy or settings, and then again you can scroll down, and here under your information you will have access your information on the first option. Tap on that and then scroll down and go for personal information, and here under your personal information you will have your account creation date. So you can simply view that account creation date, but you can't change that. So to change that, the only way to change that is to delete your Facebook account, and then you can again create your Facebook account on whichever date that you would like. So that's it. You can see your account created date from here. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.